Hey guys, I'm down on Unity Beach in Somerset. Look, I'll show you on the van. Come and have a look. Here we are. Green Country Club, Holiday Resort, Unity, Holiday Home Sales, yeah? And what we're going to talk to you today about is part exchanging your tourer. So if you've got a tourer and you want to upgrade to a static, it's very, very simple, Christian, isn't it?
Super easy.
So all you got to do is phone Christian and he'll help you and talk you through the whole situation. Now today, guys, we're down on the touring field in Unity. Now they pay £4.5 grand a year site fee, okay? Now you can go into a static for 5,900 and you could rent it out and get like £1,000 a week in rentals, depending on the grade of caravan you buy, yeah? Okay? And at the minute, Christian, we're doing a guaranteed income for the next 2 years. So it's the rest of this year, sorry, and all next year, yeah? So if you want to come down, come and see the main man down here, Christian. But today I want to show you, the guys are unpacking this, but I was so excited to show it to you guys. It's up for $29,450. It's a good deal, isn't it?
Cheap.
So you can upgrade from one of these tours into this. Come and have a sit on a bench out here and have a chat to us. Come down. This is an ABI Summer Breeze, okay? Now a friend of mine's got one of these and it's absolutely lovely inside. Double glazing, central heated. Come and have a look. This one's a 2016, okay? Now we've got new vans, we've got used vans, we've got no age limit here, Christian. Do you know that?
No age limit, yeah.
Which is fantastic.
Open-ended lease, long as it's clean, tidy, pay the bills, do you know what I mean?
I think we're the only one on the strip, aren't we?
Pretty sure.
We must be, surely, to God.
Pretty sure everyone else I'm hearing locally has to 10 years, 15 years.
That's Simon. He's in charge.
Hi Simon!
Morning guys, how we doing?
Say hello, Simon.
Sun's out.
I'm telling them about the guaranteed bookings. I'm doing a YouTube video to
Great
the
offer.
nation.
Great offer.
And I'm gonna sponsor it up so I get a lot of people to look at it.
There you go.
So I've told them they can part exchange a tour. There's so many tours in Somerset. I'm gonna do loads of tour part exchanges this week.
There you are.
I'm gonna try and get all over Facebook to part exchange a tour, YouTube and TikTok. Oh, by the way, you need to follow my TikTok. Nigel 1974-4. Yeah? Or Nigel Bambi Edwards, okay? Now come and have a look inside this one if you like.
We mentioned our touring caravan breakfast on Saturday.
Oh my god, I forgot that.
Talk about that, mate.
What time does it start?
Going between 10 AM and 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Why don't we advertise that on Facebook next time? That's an event.
Yeah.
So, what time is it again?
So 10 AM to 12:30 this Saturday. Shane and I will be down here. There'll be bacon rolls, sausage baps, coffee, tea, juice. We're doing breakfast for the seasonal tourer owners. Come on down, see us.
I'm coming up with bacon rolls.
Damn right. Good bacon.
What's happening with this fridge freezer? It looks like a new one. Oh, it's having a new fridge freezer. Come in, guys. The guys are packing it all up nice. It's having new carpet. It's got lovely upholstery. We're putting the kit in it. What I like about it, it's open planned.
Spacious.
Isn't it spacious?
Really spacious.
Gorgeous. So guys are making the beds. We're putting all the inventory in it. How big is it, son?
38 by 12.
Wow, it's lovely. It's got everything. How much?
36 is it?
Yeah.
36 by 12.
You cut 2 foot off it. Come and have a look down the back. Shane's here. He's the top man here.
Hello. Head of housekeeping.
Head of housekeeping. Look at this, guys. Come on down, sweetheart. Ensuite toilet. Okay, lovely bedroom. What do you think? Look at it, mate. Perfect, isn't it? What do you think?
Good. It's a good sized bedroom.
What's your number if they want to call you?
0754 1263 012. I am known as the cameraman.
He is the main man down here, guys, honestly. So this is 2 beds. They're making the bed in here as well, so it's fantastic news. Look, that looks nice, mate. Thank you, mate. Can you see it? All right. Yeah. Or am I in the way?
It's in your,
My head.
it's on your face at the minute, mate.
Okay, come on then.
Oh.
You can double clip you and take off my face. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Please get in touch. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Please get in touch. Yeah, I don't think you can twist it like that. You have to twist it on the thing. My Buddha. He snapped the head off my camera. So, come down guys, no age limit, open 10.5-month season, yeah. 12 months on the country club. We got 4 lodges for sale. We got 2 pitches left on the main park, and then we're sold out. We have got a pitch on our sister park over the road, which I'm going to show you after, because that'll sell straight away. That's on Brighton. We've just taken that in part exchange. So contact us for any information, guys. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Or pop on our website, Unity Beach. But if you want a quick response, come to Christian. You've got his number. What is it again?
0754 1263 012.
Perfect. So get in touch, guys. Thanks for watching.